welcome everyone for the 22nd edition of Sounds of the Season, benefiting Southeast Health cancer patients and their families. I'm Crystal Britt.
And I'm Jim Burns. Can you believe it? It's been that long, 2 decades now of Christmas music, coordinated, of course, by Jerry Ford. Oh, by the way, happens to be the Missouri Arts Council's Individual Artist of the Year. So congratulations on that honor and for being the driving force behind this program.
And we want to thank Jerry's trio as well. Pianist Beverly Reese from Cape Girardeau, bassist Jim Wall from Carbondale, and drummer Steve Williams from Keville, Kentucky. We thank them for their fine entertainment as we arrive today.
That was a great warm-up, wasn't it? Now we're going to officially begin today's show with the children's choir from the Mercy Seat Missionary Baptist Church in Charleston, Missouri, directed by Brittany Cassell. So here they are with Go Tell It on the Mountain, and I Give Him My Heart.
What can I give him, poor as I am? If I were a shepherd, I'll give him a lamb. If I were a wise man, I'd sure do my part. What can I give him? I'll give him my heart. Give him my heart. Give him my heart. What can you give him? What can you bring? What can you offer that's fit for a king? Bow before Jesus, that's where you can start. What can you give him? Just give him your heart. Give him your heart. Give him your heart. What can you give him but all of your heart? Give him your heart. Give him your heart. What can you give him? Just give him your heart. What can I give him? I'll give him my heart.
Mercy Seat Missionary Baptist Church in Charleston. Great job.
Great way
Thank
to
you
start our
very much.
performance, for sure. Let's give them another hand as they exit the stage. And I love their little outfits, too. So festive. Well, next we want to welcome Christian Schwain, singer-songwriter who traveled and recorded with the contemporary Christian group Zoe Girl for 7 years.
She's currently a music and worship director for St. Andrew Lutheran Church in Cape.
We want to welcome Kristen and the Jerry Ford Orchestra with Merry Christmas, Darling. And then Kristen will then be showcasing her many musical talents with her rendition of Gabriel.
Greeting cards have all been sent. The Christmas rushes through. But I still have one wish to make, a special one for you. Merry Christmas, darling. We're apart, that's true. But I can dream, and in my dreams I'm Christmasing with you. The holidays are joyful. There's always something new. A holiday when I'm near to you. The lights on my tree, I wish you could see. I wish it every day. The logs on the fire fill me with desire to see you and to say that I wish you Merry Christmas and Happy New Year too. I just want to wish on this Christmas Eve, I wish I were with you. To see you and to say that I wish you Merry Christmas and Happy New you too. I just want to wish on this Christmas Eve, I wish I were with you. I wish I were with you. Merry Christmas, darling. The angel Gabriel from heaven came. His wings as drifted snow, his eyes as flames. All hail to thee, O lowly maiden Mary, most highly favored lady, Gloria. For know, O blessed Mother, thou shalt be all generations, Lord, and honor thee. Thy Son shall be Emmanuel, by seers foretold, most highly favored lady, Gloria. Then gentle Mary meekly bowed her head. To me be as it pleaseth God, she said. My soul shall laud and magnify his holy name, most highly favored lady, Gloria. Of her Emmanuel the Christ was born in Bethlehem on a Christmas morn. And Christian folk throughout the world will ever say, most highly favored lady, most highly favored lady, Gloria, Gloria,
Thank you, Kristen, for sharing your talents for such a great cause. I think Jerry's like we are in the broadcast industry. He does not like... No dead air, please.
No dead air.
All right, let's welcome now a familiar face and talent in our region, Steve Schaffner. Steve has performed throughout the United States and Europe. He directed the Cape Girardeau Public Schools string program for 22 years. Okay. Steve directed the Children's Symphony Orchestra in Paducah for the past 5 years and is currently director of the Southeast University Music Academy at the River campus.
And you'll find him performing with his trio, Gerardo String, at weddings and other special function. Also in his country band, Manitou, very popular as well. Also performed with the Southeast University and Paducah Symphonies for the past 27 years. So please welcome Steve with some old-fashioned fiddling to the tunes of Red Wing and Let It Snow.
Nice shoes, they match his fiddle. I know he's a runner, but before you run off the stage, why don't you stay up here? We'll have Steve switch instruments and accompany Tina Trickey on guitar for the Amy Grant classic, A Christmas to Remember.
A multi-talented artist, no doubt. Tina has been performing with Jerry's orchestra for the past 8 years. She also sings for area church services and civic events as well. So please welcome Tina and Steve, joined by Jim Wall and Steve Williams.
That's a tough act to follow, let me tell you. Twinkling lights, a chill is in the air, carols everywhere. Close your eyes, it's almost here. Candles and cards and favorite movie scenes the smell of evergreen, subtle as it's always been. But I have a dream or two, maybe they will come true. Setting our hopes on a big snow tonight, we'll wake up to a world of white, and it's gonna be a Christmas to remember. Light up a fireplace of Nat King Cole, always sentimental, and don't you know that it's gonna be a Christmas to remember. I know it's true, time doesn't stand still. Many things can change, but we know some things never will. The memories we share, the songs we always sing, the mystery of life, the hopefulness this season brings. I have a dream or two, maybe they will come true. Setting our hopes on a big snow tonight, we'll wake up to a world of white, and it's gonna be a Christmas to remember. Light up a fireplace of Nat King Cole, always sentimental, and don't you know that it's gonna be a Christmas to remember. I have a dream or two, maybe they will come true, come true. Setting our hopes on a big snow tonight, we'll wake up to a world of white, and it's gonna be a Christmas to remember. Light up a fireplace of Nat King Cole, always sentimental, and don't you know it's gonna be a Christmas to remember. To remember.
That was beautiful. Thank you so much.
We always like it when Tina visits our church
I bet.
on Sundays. Well, Crystal and I have worked side by side for years now.
Has it been long?
It has been a while.
It's gone fast.
In fact, not only on the air, but our desks in the newsroom are right next to each other.
He doesn't like that. Jim's a bit of a neat freak, and I'm not.
But I'll tell you this, when you work closely with someone, you learn a lot about that person. This girl can sing. And she's going to share that talent today.
Well, we're going to try, but I'm going to need your help, and I'm going to hand off the lyrics, so if
You want me to take this?
Yeah, just go ahead and take those.
Okay, I'm going to get off
What
the
do you think,
stage.
Bev? Can we do a little something? Okay, let's try, but you guys got to help me, okay? Oh, the weather outside is frightful, but the fire is so delightful. Since we've no place to go, let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. Man, it doesn't show signs of stopping, so I brought some corn for popping. As long as you love me so, let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. When we finally kiss goodnight, how I hate going out in the storm. But if you would just hold me tight, all the way home I'd be warm. Fire is slowly dying, and my dear, we're still goodbying. As long as you love me so, let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. finally kiss goodnight. Oh, I hate going out in the storm, but if you would just hold me tight, then all the way home I'd be warm. The fire is slowly dying, and my dear, we're still goodbye. But as long as you love me so, let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. Hey, what do you think? Next year, a duet?
Oh.
Okay, how about that? She's been wanting to sing for years and years. And okay, Crystal, this is your year, baby. And I have to introduce one person here special. Gene Steinman back here played with Benny Goodman on the road in the late 30s and 40s of the big band era. He was lead trombonist in the fabulous Fox Orchestra for 12 years, low brass instructor at SIU. He's been playing and performing with us for about 15 years. And can you believe this? In October, he turned 94. Wow. He's 94, looks like he's about 65, and still plays like he's 35. And as you heard just a little snippet of it, and every time we play, as he leaves for the evening, we say, oh, Gene, go home and practice.
You're right. He doesn't look a day over 35, that's for sure. I'm impressed. Oh, well, he doesn't look it either.
Jim wants to sing one.
No, Jim does not want to sing one.
Jingle bells.
I sing two places, beside my wife Lisa at church and in the car by myself.
We all do that too.
So that's probably to your benefit. All right. Well, thank you, Crystal. I know you were a little anxious about that.
Yeah, it was fun. I had help from the crowd, so
But
that's always good.
If that news thing doesn't work out.
Right. I'll keep my day job.
All right, now to close out the first half of our show, let's bring to the stage Casey, Janet Mills, and Clay Hawes.
Now, Casey has been performing here for years, winning many singing competitions. In the process, she's headlined for the past 10 years at the Badgett Theater and at the Land of the Between the Lakes over in Kentucky. Now, she and her husband have 2 young children. She's also the music leader at St. Vincent de Paul Catholic Church right here in Cape Girardeau.
And Clay is also a well-known soloist. He toured with the Naval Academy's elite Glee Club, traveling worldwide for 4 years. Now you can hear him most Sunday mornings at St. Andrew Lutheran Church's contemporary worship service and at weddings and at local services and events around here.
Now they're going to perform a duet to Mary Did You Know? So please welcome Casey, Janet Mills, and Clay Hawes.
Merry Christmas, everyone.
Mary, did you know that your baby boy would one day walk on water? Mary, did you know that your baby boy would save our sons and daughters? Did you know that your baby boy has come to make you new? This child that you delivered will soon deliver you.
Mary, did you know that your baby boy could give sight to a blind man? Mary, did you know that your baby boy could calm a storm with his hand?
Did you know that your baby boy has walked where angels trod? And when you kiss your little baby, you kiss the face of God. The blind will see, the deaf will hear, and the dead will great I am.
I'm Ed Carr, and this is my wife, Mary Ellen, and we'd like to welcome you to the 22nd annual Sounds of the Season. No one ever expects to have to take this journey through cancer treatment, but I can't imagine doing it anywhere else other than here at Southeast Cancer Center. As soon as we arrived at Southeast Cancer Center, we were made to feel very comfortable.
The receptionists, to all the nurses, the doctors, everyone just put us at peace. It was truly amazing. I've said many times that cancer is a journey that no one should have to take, but if you do have to take that journey, the Southeast Cancer Center is a wonderful place.
You take it one day at a time, and with the help and support that you get here, it's not nearly as bad as it could be.
Keep your family and friends around you and rely on them for their support. Keep the faith.
The radiation lasted 35 days. And at the end of that period of time, I was given a PET scan. My appointment to see Dr. Miller to get the answer to that scan wasn't for 2 weeks. And I thought, how will we ever make it those 2 weeks?
Well, Dr. Miller didn't make us wait 2 weeks. He called Ed at his office on his cell phone at 8:30 the morning after the PET scan to tell him that he was free of cancer.
Hello, I'm Dr. Joseph Miller. I'm a radiation oncologist. Ed has an amazing journey, but Ed faced a challenging treatment with both radiation and chemotherapy with great courage. His wife was with him through everything, and she helped him through the difficulties, and he's done very well. Very pleased with his situation, and he's over 4.5 going on 5 years now and doing extraordinarily well.
Southeast Cancer Center is dedicated to providing the highest quality of care through prevention and early detection, evidence-based therapies, and a multidisciplinary approach guided by the philosophy of healing the whole person.
One really stressful point in his care that comes to mind is how he went overnight almost from being able to swallow and eat to not being able to, and we knew by the next day he had to start being fed through his feeding tube. We talked to the Cancer Care Fund, who agreed to negotiate that amount down to $100 rather than $300, and they paid it for us, which was a huge help. It was just an awesome, stress-relieving time, just made everything okay.
This past year, over 3,000 Southeast Cancer Center patients have been touched by this fund. Over 3,000 fathers, mothers, sisters, brothers, children, co-workers, and friends have found compassion and hope thanks to the generosity of people like you.
It was a huge help, and there are many people out there without jobs, without insurance, and they really need the help that they can get from the Cancer Care Fund.
I would like to thank everyone for coming to this special event today. Please consider giving to the Cancer Care Fund. The money is used to help folks out with a lot of costs, and so the fund is very important. All the money goes to help patients that are getting treatment for cancer here, and I can't say enough about how important it is to give to this cause.
Giving is easy. Just text SOUNDS to 50155. Call the Southeast Health Foundation office or visit our website at sehealth.org/sounds.
So we would appreciate whatever contributions you can make, large or small, to the Cancer Care Fund. It would really help all those people who need your help during the next year.
Have a Merry Christmas, and please enjoy the sounds of the season.
And that is why we are here today. Please welcome this year's honorary chairman, Ed Carr, and his family from Sikeston, Missouri.
Thank you both so much for being here today. Now, our second half of the show begins with the Scott City Honor Choir behind us under the direction of Heather Helly.
They're still coming up. The 50-plus choir is from the 3rd, 4th, and 5th grades, and membership is by audition. They travel and perform all around our area, and today they are singing O Holy Night and Silent Night, which, by the way, will be sung in both English and German. So please welcome again the Scott City Honor Choir.
It is the night of our dear
As they are exiting, we want to bring back to the stage, we hope that you will welcome, I should say, Casey Janet Mills. She's going to be performing with the orchestra, My Grown-Up Christmas List.
Do you remember me? I sat upon your knee. I wrote to you with childhood fantasies. Well, I'm all grown up now, but still need help somehow. I'm not a child, but my heart still can dream. So here's my lifelong wish, my grown-up Christmas list. Not for myself, but for a world in need. No more lives torn apart, that wars would never start, and time would heal all hearts, and everyone would have a friend, and right would always win, and love would never end. This is my grown-up Christmas list. What is this illusion called the innocence of youth? Maybe only in our blind belief can we ever find the truth. Ooh. That wars would never start, and time would heal all hearts, and everyone would have a friend, and right would always win, and love would never end. This is my grown-up Christmas list. This is my only lifelong wish. This is my grown-up Christmas list.
Hey, by the way, the arrangement to that was by John Quinn of the orchestra. So, John, you might want to take a bow here.
We want to welcome now, as you can see over to my right, Jennifer Brothers and her children Bailey and Brenner. Jennifer is the worship pastor here and the event coordinator at Cape First.
And let's thank Jen, her parents, Pastors Rose and Gary Brothers, and their staff for once again opening Cape First for this entertaining and important event.
Thank you guys so much. And we can't express what this program has meant to people all over our area for more than 20 years now, and you are all a large part of that big success. So let's give everyone a round of applause. And now, I believe these guys have something special, and this gets you, the audience, involved. So I believe we're going to bring the lights up, and we're going to have a little fun. Take it away.
Thank you. Well, Merry Christmas, everybody. How are you? I tell you what, it's so good to have you with us. And let me just tell you, I love Christmas. Do you love Christmas? And I love celebrating Christmas with family and friends. And we're just all family here today, all right? Guys, you did so good. I'm so proud of you. You rocked your face off, crushed it. I told them to crush it when they got here. Way to go, kids. Now listen, we have been singing and playing and using all of our talents all day for you. So now we need a little bit of help from you. Up in the risers, on the floor, to the side, I want everybody to stand up. We're going to have a little bit of sing-along Christmas. So look at your neighbor and say, hey, neighbor. Say, hey, neighbor. I need some room. Say, I need some room. Because we want to just have a big family fun sing-along today, all right? I flew these guys in just for you. We're making our debut live on KFBS, so we're excited to be here. Say, hit it, Miss Bev. Here we go. We're going to sing a little bit of singing, so I want to hear you. All the way up in the risers, all my family up there. Awesome. I want to hear you on the floor, too, all right? This is one of our favorite songs. Anybody know Rudolph? All right. You know Dasher and Dancer and Prancer and Vixen, Comet and Cupid and Donner and Blitzen. But do you recall the most famous reindeer of all? Everybody get ready to dance. Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer. Here we go. Had a very shiny. You guys can move, it's okay. And if you ever saw it, you would even say it glows. All of the other reindeer used to laugh and call him names. They never let poor Rudolph join in any reindeer games. And then one foggy Christmas Eve, and Santa came to... Oh, you sound so good, let me hear you. Rudolph, with your nose so bright, won't you guide my sleigh tonight? Then how the reindeer loved him as they shouted out with glee. Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer, you'll go down in history. Oh, give yourself a pat on the back. You did so good. But you get a little bit of next try, all right? Your voice is warmed up now? Okay, roll your shoulders back a little bit. Always helps me sing better. Are we loose? Ready to go? Oh, you better watch out. You better not cry. You better not pout. I'm telling you why. Santa Claus is coming to town. Well, he's making a list and checking it twice. He's gonna find out who's naughty or nice. Santa Claus is coming to this town. And he sees you when you're sleeping, and he knows when you're awake, and he knows if you've been bad or good, so be good for goodness sake. You better watch out, you better be good, you better not cry, you better not pout, I'm telling you why. Santa Claus is coming to town. Oh, you did so good. We got one more. You got it in you? Look at your neighbor and say, neighbor, one more. Are you ready? Here we go. Sleigh bells ring, are you listening? In the lane, snow is glistening. A beautiful sight, we're happy tonight, walking in a winter wonderland. Gone away is the bluebird, here to stay is the new bird. He sings a love song as we go along, walking in a winter wonderland. Take it, Bailey. In the meadow we can build a snowman and pretend that he is Parson Brown. He'll say, are you married? We'll say no, man, but you can do the job when you're in town. Later on we'll conspire as we dream by the fire to face unafraid the plans that we made, walking in a winter wonderland. Oh, walking in a winter wonderland. Yeah, yeah, walking in a winter wonderland. Merry Christmas.
All right, well, another great performance to benefit Southeast Health cancer patients and their families. We're going to try to get everyone back on stage now. That may be a little task.
Oh, yeah, let's move up.
I think Jerry's the Grand director
ringleader.
there.
So fun this year, that's for sure. And while we're talking about Jerry,
Well, we want to thank Jerry and, of course, his orchestra, because we couldn't do this without them.
and of course, to all the performers here today to give all their time and their talents, these children's choirs and their parents who brought them, thank you so much. You all were such a wonderful addition today.
It'll take a minute, he said. And again, the staff here at Cape First, Pastors Rose and Gary Brothers, their sound and light technicians, Cody Walker, Pastor Eric Burton, Media Director Mary Pat King. We just couldn't do it without the people behind the scenes.
That's right. And we also have the staff at the Southeast Health Foundation. We thank you for coordinating all the logistics to make everything happen. The video, everything was great. We also want to thank KFES, our Vice President and General Manager, Scott Thomas, for airing this special tribute to Southeast Health cancer patients. So definitely you'll want to check your local listings for dates and times as that happens a little later.
Well, we've only got about 100 people to get up here, so...
We're about to get rooted off the stage here.
Step down here. Okay, all right.
Once they get situated, they've got a little something else for us.
I think it's going to be worth the wait. We're going to welcome back Clay Hawes, the entire cast, for our final number, America the Beautiful.
I think it appropriate to end tonight with this song, because what an amazing opportunity that we have to live in this country. Worship the way we choose, celebrate the true meaning of Christmas. And so we honor America for giving us that opportunity. Oh, beautiful for spacious skies, for amber waves of grain, for purple mountain majesties above the fruited plain. America, God shed His grace on thee, and crown thy good with brotherhood from sea to shining sea. Oh, beautiful for patriot dream that sees beyond the years, thine alabaster cities gleamed, undimmed by human fears. America, America, God shed His grace on thee, and crown thy good with brotherhood from sea to shining sea. America, America, God shed His grace on thee, and crown thy good with brotherhood from sea to shining sea. America.
Thank you so much. What a great way to end the show. It was a good year, wasn't it? We're all blessed.
We are all blessed. Thank you all so much for coming, and thank you for watching. Have a Merry Christmas and a blessed New Year.
Merry Christmas.